Day 108, leaving the hotel. We stayed at Tuxedo. It's very nice. All right, we're going with the top bun today because it's already humid.
It's gotta cool down. Noontime beer.
It is noon, so we stayed in the Tuxedo Motel yesterday, and that was great. I think it ended up being like $70. That sound about right?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, it's like $70 with tax, so that's pretty cheap for New York and the Northeast in general.
Yeah, it was great. Everything we needed. Just we got a single bed, and we were watching TV, got to shower, do laundry. Sal is the guy who worked there. He's really nice, and
yeah, really nice guy.
Yeah, he just took our laundry and he just knocked on the door when it was finished, which was great. We got a ton of empanadas from the gas station.
Get a cheese empanada from the Valero. They're
Delicious.
really good.
Yeah, highly would recommend. And stayed there last night, caught up on some videos, so that was good. And back on the trail today. And we got a really easy hitch yesterday from a guy who was doing the AT sections with his 9-year-old son, which is really sweet. And then who is the second hitch we got on the way back?
I'm pretty sure his name was Greg, yeah. But yeah, it looked like he was like a construction worker guy, had a big work van. Gave us a ride, I think the third car that passed after we put our thumb out.
Yeah, seriously, it was so fast. We're like, yeah! And he was talking all about the Adirondacks.
Adirondacks up in New York. He's done a bunch of hiking and canoeing up there, so a place I'd like to check out pretty soon.
Yeah, very tempting. And then
someone told us someone was at the road doing trail magic just here, and he said that this was where the tuxedo, you know, the outfit, the suit, was invented. Apparently people used to have tails on their suits, and here they tailored them off or something and said, oh, we were wearing, the town is called Tuxedo, and they said, oh, we were wearing these suits in Tuxedo, so tuxedo suits.
So that's funny. And yeah, we just skipped the trail magic because we were just coming from the gas station. So we're like, thank you so much. And we met up with 505 again, who's getting off in 2 days at Bear Mountain. And yeah, just chatted with him across the bridge. And now we're gonna have ourselves a drink and then start climbing and hopefully beat the rain.
Heading into, I think the lemon squeezer's in here, so that'll be an interesting landmark. But this terrain is just beautiful, like all these huge slabs of rock making caves. And
yeah, look at that down there.
Just so unique. There's trees just growing off the bare rock where some
spooky
stuff has settled. Heading in.
Let's do it. On an update for the temperature, it's very humid. Very humid. Very humid, very sweaty. Squeeze the lemon juice, baby. What?
You still getting this?
A little bit.
All right. Well.
Oh God.
Getting squeezed.
I'm not skinny enough.
It is rough through the lemon squeezer, folks. It took about a whole minute to get through here. I wonder how far I'll go. All right, folks, I made it through the lemon squeezer. It wasn't pretty. Took the pack off, but pretty fun.
All right, just past that wonderful little lemon squeezer part. And now we're going up here. Yikes. Little frog. This is very interesting. New York long path. This is us, baby. Oh, dang! Mount Katahdin, 793. Not sure if that's right, but still. That would be exciting because it's under an Arizona trail. So that means we've already done 2 Arizona trails. One more to go, babe. Woo! Free now, passing by the shelter. Ooh, there we go. The shelter, it is raining, and we're gonna keep moving on. We're gonna go to the second shelter. I know it's gonna rain like all tonight, so probably will keep my phone away so it doesn't get too wet. All right, it's still raining a little bit, not too bad. We are at Tiarati Circle, which is a gorgeous little area. I think Snake Farm was saying that all these buildings, they're really cute. They're made by the CCC. Which is interesting. I'll give you a little look at the beach. The beach is currently closed, but such a, oh, go out in the rain for a second. It's like so fun to come for the summer, like jump in the water, you know, like get in there. They have camping areas over here, but really what has brought us to this delicious location is that they have some ice cream and some drinks and some treats that we can get. So of course, knowing us, we're gonna do that and get out of the rain for a second.
Actually, just a little update here, folks. We got a Minute Maid lemonade and a
Crunch candy bar.
Crunch candy bar.
It's stopped raining right now. We just had 2 ice creams, treat yourself. Both very good. How cool is this building? Now to find where the water is. Acquired water, use the restrooms. We are good to go.
He's got a bug on above his left eye. I think he's trying to scratch it off.
8 o'clock now, headed in for the night. Did 10 miles, so nothing too big. And then tomorrow we're gonna do a shorter day too. I think maybe 16, because we're gonna go and check out one of the forts and the zoo. So that'll be interesting. We're gonna go to Bear Mountain.
Bear Mountain and Fort Montgomery?
I think so.
Something like that.
Watch tomorrow and you'll see.
Stay tuned for historical landmarks.
Yeah, but it really has been quite beautiful, and we really have been soaking up the last couple days of trail. And that's the nice part about it, is to enjoy. So have a good night. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.